Computer Science Videos here today to show you guys in this tutorial how to change your ScreenFlow video to 60 frames per second using this quick trick on a Mac computer. Without further ado, let us start the video. So in this tutorial, you need to have access to a Mac computer as well as have access to the ScreenFlow application and have a video that you may have recorded. We can now start the tutorial. Before I start this tutorial, I would like to say that you are more than welcome to subscribe to my channel, Computer Science Videos. As we know, every problem is solved by indirection. You can also follow my Twitter account. We are trying to grow as fast as ever. I'm on TikTok. We post videos here and there. Follow my page on Facebook. I'm also on Instagram. You are more than welcome to support me on PayPal. Let's now focus on the video. So now let's turn the attention to the MacBook Pro desktop. Here we have a video that we are currently working on and we'll look to export once we have transformed and upgraded 30 frames per second to 60. Let's now click the video. And now this video is ready to export. Before exporting the video, what I do is convert from 30 to 60 frames per second by going to the right bottom corner of the screen, click on 30, and timeline frame rate is now changed to 60. Update. And there we go. We have now transformed this video from 30 to 60 frames per second using that quick trick. We can now save the video within ScreenFlow, quick ScreenFlow. And so that's it for this video. I'll see you guys in my next tutorial. Thanks for now. Thank you for making it towards the end of the video. Be sure to subscribe to my channel, Computer Science Videos. Be sure to check out the previous video on screen now, or you can ideally click on the playlist and watch all the journey for Computer Science Videos from the start until now.